Hello, Zoe the Robot fans. Zoe's sitting over here, and I am still working on her new brain. Now, this little device right here is a sort of a short extension for a USB cable, and her microphone is plugged into that. And the problem is voice access just stops working every once in a while, and the only way to get it to run again is to unplug and plug in the microphone. Well, I don't want to wear out the USB ports, so what I did was I made this little extension cord with a switch on it, and I can just remove the 5 volts from the microphone and turn it back on, and then voice access starts working again. So that's a quick fix for that. And you can tell I've been working on using Arduino boards instead of her fidget boards. They're cheaper and they have more ports, and I'm going to see how they do. I'm thinking about using this little relay board to turn the microphone on and off, and that will keep voice access happy programmatically. I don't have any way to control voice access programmatically because there is no SDK or API for it. There is an ultrasonic sensor that I've been testing with Arduino, and there is my infrared sensor. It's a sharp infrared sensor that I've been testing with Arduino. And I've, of course, been working on Zoe's programs. And I got a new function I wrote. It's called Remember This. And what it does is it puts it in learn mode for one input. And then it turns off learn mode. So I can just tell her something really quick and she'll remember it. I'll show you that. What is the capital of France?
I'll have to ponder that for a bit. I know nothing about France, however. Moscow is the capital of Russia.
Remember this.
What is it that I may recall for you? Learn mode on.
Paris is the capital of France.
Noted. Exiting learn mode.
What is the capital of France?
Checking memory banks. Paris is the capital of France.
Where is Paris?
Really? You are asking me that? Paris is the capital of France.
What is the capital of Russia?
That is a complicated query. Moscow is the capital of Russia.
What is the capital of the UK?
You are repeating yourself. Quiet, please. I'm analyzing. The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C.
Remember this.
What is it that I may recall for you? Enabling learn mode.
The capital of the UK is London.
I understand. Learn mode off.
What is the capital of the UK?
The capital of the UK is London.
Very good, Zoe.
Thanks. Do you think that I am as smart as Robot B9?
Yes, you are our smart robot.
Some people would call me a smart robot.
Hey, Doc, is it a male or a female?
In my case, sir, the question is totally without meaning.
Are you a male or a female?
In my case, sir, the question is totally without meaning.